Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this video we're gonna make some spaghetti and we're gonna make some other stuff, but anyway, somebody wasn't supposed to be here, right? So yeah, girl, I told you it's a DIY, right, queen? So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm renovating. Y'all could guess in the comment section below right here. Let me know, like right here, let me know. I would love to see and know if y'all know or think you know what I'm gonna renovate. But let's talk about these now. So I did these myself. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Yes, you see that? Ooh. I'm gonna cut them down. But anyway, I just want y'all to know she will be playing with her friends and we're gonna cook and we're gonna renovate this beep. I'm not gonna say. All right, guys, let go. So I got this Lady Misty UV LED nail lamp for only $9.99, and these are extensions, poly extension gel nails to be exact, and I paid $8.99 for them because y'all already know I'm not trying to spend $55,000. You see, it was $29.99 for the 6-pack, and you get all these pointy nails, but I don't have time for that. My job and at the hospital, you already know, all my nurses and my healthcare workers, you can't have no nails more than 1 inch. So look at this. You already know I cut it down, all the way down to my skin. But look at my baby wanting to get her nails done. And this is Savvyland gel art. Basically, it's like rubber soft gel that you just stick your fingers and put the nail polish and just stick your fingernails in it, or you could just put your fingers, but you already see it's kid friendly. I did my daughter, she's 5. It's mommy self-care time, and obviously your daughters or your other children, boy or girl, can have fun too. But she was having the time of her life. And this is only $11, but I paid for the one that was $7.99 because y'all already know I'm on a budget and I don't have time for the nonsense. I want to stay out of the nail salon, and I also want to keep the nail salon prices out my pockets, okay? $75 and $60 just for French tips and $50, and they making up their own prices. I haven't been to a nail salon in 2 months, and I don't miss that nasty stink smell or those talking or those people that always like invading your privacy or your space. What y'all think? Would you get it? Let me know in the comment section because your girl got it and I love it. I give it 10 out of 10 because look at this. I absolutely love it, and I have the white nail polish, so you already know.
And I put that many in.
You got it? You start? Okay.
I will put that many in.
Okay. Drop it. Good. Thank you. Nice. So as you saw, we are making spaghetti, and we use the mantilla, which is the pasta from Aldi's. OMG. I love it. Okay. So I'm straining it. I love angel hair pasta. Okay. I don't eat no other one. I don't care unless it's egg noodles. And that's not pasta. So thank you. I'm straining it, and I'm using this. This is from Whole Foods, and it's some new, no meat, vegan meatballs, plant-based. It tastes okay. I'm not gonna complain about it. It was alright. If you want it, you could go get it. It's only like $5 something. This is sunflower oil. That's what I've been using lately, and 100% virgin olive oil. That's what I've been using. So we're gonna just glaze my pot, yes hunty, with some of that oil. Put those meatballs in, but they're not meat, non-meatballs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now we're gonna put in some garlic powder, Lawry's, of course. Let's see what else we're gonna put in here. What do y'all use in your spaghetti? What do y'all cook, most or love most? Parsley flakes, of course. Do you put these ingredients? Let me know in the comment section. Some organic onion powder. Okay, we just use some garlic powder. And I'm putting in some basil. So I had the real basil because I have the plants that I buy from Home Depot. But I just didn't use that. This is oregano traditional pasta sauce. And y'all already know all these is the place to go. This is one something. I don't even know. This distilled water. Hello, Dollar General. One something. Yep. I'm not ashamed. I do not use tap water. I don't care. Don't even come to my house. And if you want some tap water, you better go outside. I have a hose outside. Have fun. This is garlic. I'm going to crush it up with this crusher. But let me tell you something. I'm not recommending this thing. You saw how that garlic flew out? I don't know where it went. Anyway, but I had to scrape this out. And I do not like that. Y'all make it look so good if y'all watching. You people that make cooking look so bougie and fabulous. This is not what it's about. Okay, honey? I'm trying to eat my food. All this bougie stuff costs a lot of money. You want me to get this utensil? I can't even get the garlic out. Look at it. Unbelievable. Anyway, I had to off camera. I had to scrape that out with the hands that God made and gave me. Because it's unbelievable. Anywho. Y'all like my calendar? Isn't it nice? So fancy and nice. Okay, so we dishing out that angel hair pasta. Do y'all put sugar in your spaghetti? Let me know. And be honest. Let me know. Because some of you people don't and you need to. That needs to be a God's given thing that everybody does. I don't care. Spaghetti is bitter. And I don't like it. Now, let's see what this look like. What it's hitting like. What it's tasting. What it's doing. This is my daughter's favorite. So, but y'all already know how I be listening to Glorilla and she was like, she ain't even have to make no spaghetti. Ooh. But if you know what she's talking about. Yeah, but this is not no love potion going on over here. Yeah, and I'm using some of this Mantia's Parmesan shredded cheese. Compliments of all these, Aldi's, I don't know how you say it, and I don't care. Yeah, how about that? This looks good, delicious, bon appetit. Yeah. Let me see. Okay.
I did a hairstyle with a lip, right?
Fancy.
That's my kitty cat. That's definitely my kitty cat. Olivia. We're at my house. We're at we still ain't lost my kitty cat, so he's still mine.
Okay, so y'all
this is the
sharing,
little carpet.
right?
This is the little carpet this is the toy room.
Okay.
This is the nice kids room.
Okay.
And this is the bad kids. This is the George. I just pretend he's the bad brother.
Okay.
But no, I know he's not. I know George ain't bad, but I didn't have one that looked. I didn't have a doll that looked bad. Don't mind the feet, cause my dog bit the feet.
Oh, okay.
But now he's out of the house.
Oh, okay.
A little Minecraft.
You having fun?
We're getting to Minecraft.
Nice.
Dory. Finding Dory. And then yeah, that's my game. And I have the mermaid right here. No, but you're already getting mixed up with the other toys. Already getting mixed up. How about let's move this over here? Where did you put my other George? Okay, right here. What to say? You lost my George? Okay, we're getting to food now. Olivia!
That's a lot.
Olivia! Olivia, over the table. Gabby bakes these cookies. She just made a new batch. Want to try one?
Yes.
They're really good.
So good. Delicious. Girls. Hi, ladies. Y'all having fun?
Yes.
Yay. Okay. Ha! You guessed it. I'm at Home Depot. But look at these shacks. I was like, is this competition or what? I want the one on the end. You know, y'all already know. Y'all saw me get in my shack. I got my shed and it was put up. That was one of my birthday gifts. But you know I'm never satisfied. And if you don't know, now you know. Okay. In the words of Biggie. But look at these plants. They're looking nice, right? I know. But they have some plants because I have a garden. I have the mulch. I have everything. Okay. And now we are going in. It's time to renovate, baby. Look how hot it was. You see my back? I'm sweating. Ooh, yes. I got my bare paint. My interior. Guess what I'm painting? Guess. Take a guess. Take a wild guess. Oh, I won't tell you. But, look. I'm the only person in there with their child riding on the dang cart. Unbelievable. But anyway, let's look at these plants. Let's get a good Yeah. Ooh, close up. Okay, no. Okay, that's all right. The price was not in my, peripherals. There you go. Not on my radar, but look at these. Oh, I have a duplex. Basically, I have like a 2-in-1, a washer and dryer, and front opening. Y'all saw, but I thought that was so cute. But I was like, wait a minute now. I see some glow in the dark, some blue light up fridge. I had to come and see it. Hello, $2,400. Look, it was time to go. I was like, please, who doing that? Not even if I was a millionaire would I be wasting money on that. It has to be that stainless steel Kenmore, or Maytag, whatever it is, that where the babies put their fingerprints on the fridge and it doesn't smudge. I want that one. Yes. So if y'all listening, whoop, whoop, I'm here. Yes, we could collab. You could slide in my inbox. I am down for the get down. Now we going home. What we about to do? Oh, you guessed it. It was my kitchen. I'm renovating my kitchen. So I bought a pack of 20. Basically, that's enough of these gold, beautiful knobs. It is gorgeous. And once you see and have my idea come to fruition, y'all are going to be mind blown because, listen, hunty, it's already in my mind. And once you manifest it and you could think it, it's already done. So obviously I already had the kitchen of my dreams in my mind. I just had to bring it out to life. I want to thank y'all so much for my new subscribers, all the love y'all show me, all the support, and thanks for liking and subscribing, obviously. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.